Homemade vitamin serum that can return any part of your skin 20 years ago. The face is the most visible area of the whole body because it is located in the head. That is why it is so important for many people to have an impeccable face, without smudges or wrinkles. However, we know that this is not an easy task. Whether due to factors such as weather, sun, acne or age, our face is full of imperfections. To combat these evils, we have many options. One of them is to resort to a skin specialist to tell us a treatment. Another option would be to use several creams and masks like this vitamin serum to lighten our skin and eliminate wrinkles, but these processes are expensive and not affordable for most of us. That is why most people prefer to resort to natural methods. These are the same or even more effective than creams and lotions manufactured by large industries. Also, they are very cheap and we can get their ingredients anywhere. To make matters worse, its application has no side effects and ends with all the problems of the face. That is precisely what makes this homemade way prepared with natural ingredients. This is able to eliminate chicken feet, fine lines, blemishes, acne and much more. Likewise, it leaves our skin bright, luminous and much younger. Below we explain how to prepare it and get the most out of it. What we will need: capsules of vitamin E, 2 units. Globe of aloe vera, 1 tablespoon. Green tea powder, 1 tablespoon. Linseed seed, 2 tablespoons. Essential oil, 2 drops. Water, 1 cup. Preparation and use. The first thing we have to do is to boil the water in a pot over low heat. Immediately add the flax seeds and let them boil until a kind of foamy gel forms. At this point, we will add the green tea and stir for 10 seconds. While boiling, then, we will proceed to filter the substance and throw it into another container. Now, we will add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel and the extract of the vitamin E capsules. Then, we remove everything very well until we get a homogeneous substance. Finally, add the drops of essential oil and remove again. This lotion can be stored for up to 8 days in the fridge. What we have left to do is to cleanse our skin deeply, either from the face or any other part. Then, apply the lotion with delicate circular movements until it has been absorbed. We will see how instantly the skin begins to look much brighter and healthier. After several uses, you will notice how it improves the appearance of your skin. If you want to have a flawless skin, start using this totally natural homemade lotion. We assure you that you will get incredible results in record time. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. If you want more natural skin care tips, subscribe to the channel.